Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the hood here, got a little rock chip there. A couple small rock chips. There's another one there. Headlight looks good, grill's nice and clean. Looking at the bumper down here, you do have some gashes right there. Fog light looks nice. There's a little rock chip. Got this nice light bar. Got a couple scuffs here. A few gashes. Overall, that fender's really clean. That light looks good. Tires look amazing. Those wheels look good. Side mirror looks good. See a little rock chip there. Overall, that door's really clean. Here on the bedside. Looks nice. Tires look good. I don't see any curb rash on these wheels. You do have some typical scratches in here. That taillight looks good. Looking at the bumper, we do have some gashes right there and around the sensor. Got a gash here and there. That edge looks nice, taillight looks good. A few light scuffs here. Might be hard to see. Gotta look just right with that lighting. It's very subtle. And here's the light bar on, looks good. And those pod lights. Fender looks good. Wheels nice and clean. Tires look awesome. Got a chip right there. Really subtle scuff here. Bedside looks nice. That wheel looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. That door panel looks awesome. Got the extending mirrors, power folding as well, and memory seating. Got the Husky liners. That bolster looks awesome. That one's nice and clean. Overall, that seat is in really good condition. Steering wheel still has that nice matte finish to it. Those buttons look nice. That one looks good. All of these look really good. Just over 11,000 miles. All of this looks awesome. And then to control the lights, you have this really nice remote. And it's super heavy, really good quality. Here on the back left door panel, you have a couple minor scuffs on the plastic there. A few on that lower section. That looks good. I think that's just some shine on there. It's not a stain. That seat looks nice. Here on the front right door panel, looks amazing. Husky liners look good. That seat bolster is nice and clean. Same with that one. The rest of that seat looks good. Console over here is nice and clean. Got all these ports. Got the double glove box. Looks like a really light scuff there. Upper side looks nice. Headliner looks good. On the back right door panel, looks good. Kick plate area is nice and clean. Got the full coverage Husky liner there. That bolster looks good. Seat as well. Seats are heated. And you got a port down there. Seat back looks good. And here in the engine bay, looks nice and clean. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. It shifts nice and smooth. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. The off-road tires are actually really nice. They don't seem to be really loud. Now they're gonna have a little growl, but it's very subtle. Suspension is nice. It drives really, really good. No complaints here. Drives really nice. Like I said, no complaints. It's pretty much a brand new truck.